Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. This one today might be one of my favorites, especially with spring coming up. What you're gonna need here is a good old broom. Oh, this is gonna save your back. It's gonna save you time. And the next thing I'm very excited to share with you is we're gonna go in today with a little citric acid. I like this better than vinegar in a lot of ways. It smells better. Next thing that you'll need is probably a rubber band of some sort and a good towel. I just have a microfiber towel right here. You can use a old bath towel that is disgusting, or an old kitchen towel, but this is what I'm going in with here today. Changed my mind, decided to go in with this old kitchen towel that I was going to toss anyway, and it fit better. I have done this under my refrigerator with the microfiber, and that was great because it really collected all the lint and dust that was under there. So I'm just gonna set this aside for a second. A couple ingredients that you may need. You certainly can just use some citric acid, and I'm just gonna use a little bit, like maybe about a tablespoon right there. We're gonna fill this up with some hot water. I'm gonna add 2 more things. Now, before I do that, if I was doing this on my vehicle, I would only be using a little bit of Dawn dish soap or cleaner specific for your vehicle. Just imagine all the places that you can get on top of the roof of your car, underneath your car, in the wheel wells. Yes, are we getting excited? I would take this towel off, nice and hot. Now in this bottle right here, I have a little rubbing alcohol. I'm just gonna use, just about that much right there. And then if you got a lot of grease and grime on your windows, we're just gonna couple drops like that. Let's stir it up. Don't mind the birds, they are singing happily today. I am so excited to see how much grime that we are going to pick up. Now it may not look like much, but let's watch and see. Rub-a-dub-dub. Ooh, that's smelling nice. Now mind you, I am doing this one-handed here, so you have much more control over your brooming. Now there's a couple ways that you can do this. I do recommend going in some sort of pattern, either up and down. Generally you want to use the S method, but this is a bit more tricky when you have a long handle. You know what also is really nice about this? Once you are done with your windows, you see all that dirt and grime in there. This is the perfect end to clean that up. You can get in all the nooks and crannies of your lawn furniture. By the way, can I tell you how incredibly satisfying this is from just this window right here? Okay, now go down here with your broom when you're all done with your windows, of course. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even have to bend over. Hello. Woo-wee. Yes, my friend, you will never clean your windows, your car, or your lawn furniture any other way. Word of caution here before I rinse this all out. Less is more when it comes to anything cleaning your glass. If you use too much product, you're gonna have lots of streaks and it is not gonna look clean. You can do this method right here, which is straight up water if you want to, and that works great as well. But if you like a little extra va-va-voom, a little extra grease cutting, then give this a whirl. I hope this was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, share it out with a friend, click the video on screen now for some additional and amazing cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.